When I first saw the procedures being done on lambs, I found it quite shocking. You know, I was used to seeing wounds like that being treated with pain relief. You know, people at the time were calling farmers cruel and barbaric. I knew that wasn't the case, and I knew that they had a tremendous sense of protection for their animals and care for their animals. I mean, their livelihood depends on the welfare of their animals. And I thought the problem was they just didn't have anything to use. That kind of just inspired me to think about how we could change what we do in human medicine and adapt it so that it would be applicable for use for these livestock species. I moved really from paediatric cardiac research into developing Tri-Solfen and anaesthetics for infant animals. It was a bit of a challenge because it's a completely different environment. Instead of being in a sterile operating theatre, you're out in the middle of a paddock. It can be applied by the farmer straight away. It's designed to go on the wound, form a coating or a barrier over the wound, anaesthetise it, make it go numb. And then also it's got an agent in there to minimise bleeding and to prevent infection. It doesn't interfere with the time taken for the procedure, and the lambs can go straight back to their mothers. So the first trials we did were amazing, actually. You could see the difference. You didn't need to do trials to prove that it made an effect. You know, you could see it with your eyes. Seeing lambs, you know, running and playing and jumping, it's like watching a little child toddle back into the intensive care unit after they've been through a horrific open heart surgery procedure. I look back and I think how many times we were told it won't work, it can't work, people won't use it, and we've just had faith in the product right from the word go, and we've had faith in farmers, and that faith has been rewarded. The work that we've done in treating over 80 million animals with Tri-Solfen across a range of different wound types has really opened the door to rethink the way that we manage wounds in humans. And I think it's been like being on the crest of a wave. I hope that we've played a really important role in helping that wave of welfare spread around the world.